17 to 19. In 17 to 19, it says from refer to the following information. Let's see what does 17 ask for. Which of the given function has the greatest y-intercept? So let's see the value of the y-intercept. Y-intercept means probably you can see that like from this graph y-intercept would be clear. Yes, y-intercept means where the graph meets the y-axis. So here it is around -4 and here it is I believe, just a sec, it's more than 3 it seems. Yes, okay, if we consider this one as 3, exactly 3, and you can see that this one is 2 and this one is -1. So first of all, -1 and -4, all these are negative, and between -2 and 3, 3 would be the greatest, because we have to consider the positive one as the greatest. So definitely which function? Function B, this one. Now question is, if we try to find out question number 18, it refers to the same information. Which of the following is a solution to the both function A and function B? So for function A, we can see that this shaded portion is its solution region. For function B, its shaded portion is solution region. So for this, you can see that like how should we decide? First of all, this point in the second quadrant, its x is negative, y is positive. So in second quadrant, I believe it is -1.5 and it is around 5.5. So -1.5 and 5.5. It is not quite sure that whether it may, like we can't say this would lie definitely, because you know 5.5 would be somewhere around here. So for function A, we can easily say that would definitely cover, but for function B, it is not quite sure. For function, let's move to option B. So it's 3.5 and here it is -2.25. So 3.5, it would be here, and -2.25 would be somewhere around here. So for function B, it matches. And let's move to this one, 3.5 -2.25. Yes. So I believe like this portion must satisfy this. And you can see that if we come to the next one, it is 1, -3.5. So here it is 1 and here it is -3.5 would be somewhere around here. And 1, -3.5, it doesn't belong to the function B. So it is discarded. So 5.5 and -2.5. So 5.5 and -2.5 would be somewhere around here. For function B, it matches. And for this one, function A, I believe it won't be here. So D is discarded. And between A and B, B seems to be most accurate, so we have to choose that. Okay, let's come to question number 19. In question number 19, what is the function D? Whenever any function is V-shaped, so first I would like to tell you the graph of modulus of x. So modulus of x, or absolute function, absolute value of x, it would be like this. Always remember, the graph of any absolute function, that would be V-shaped. So definitely, as a function D appears to be V-shaped, it can't be linear, it can't be inequalities. So there is no possibility of option B and C, even D. So we have to choose A. So 19 we have discussed.